बेल आइकॉन के बेल आइकॉन के बटन को क्लिक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हम अपनी वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। BNB मैक्सिमालिस्ट and BSC supporters, we love Binance Smart Chain, BNB and CZ, and we love you too. Introduction by BARMY. What is BSC Army? BSC Army is the first decentralized autonomous organization for social media industries on Binance Smart Chain and a community centered initiative that strives to promote the adoption of BSC and blockchain in general. Promote BSC and BNB. BSC Army is for those who are passionate about BSC, Binance, and SBNB. Strengths BSC communities. BSC Army supporters BSC projects as well as invites potential investors and blockchain projects to use BSC. Incentivize BSC supporters. BSC Army encourages BSC users and supporters to use Army token, the governance token of the BSC Army DAO. BSC Army is a community of devotees of BS and BNB. We will do anything in our power to protect BSC and its ecosystem. Knowledge is our superpower. It shields us from FUD and schemes that about the decentralized market. Reddit, YouTube, fund for FUD need, fears, sketch, investing, borrow me and join IDO that BSC Army invest in free private freedom lifestyle. Get your creative juice flowing. Create content and enjoy multiple benefits from BSC Army DAO. Work from anywhere at any time you like. Instagram, TikTok, join BSC Army, earn B Army to token by posting memes. B Army token is the governance token of the BSC Army DAO. Read full B Army tokenomic here. Token specification: name B Army token, symbol SB Army, network Binance Smart Chain, specific BEP20, smart contract address OX2C 8OBC 9BFA 4E C6 80EFB94 9C5180 BDDEE 5A C8299. Token allocation. Total supply. Details about all the token burns can be found here. 90% supply release on TGE on launch zone. 10% supply add liquidity. Token features: automatic LPS, RFI static rewards, meme bounty, holdy B Army to join private group, stack B Army token to earn airdrop. Services: we offer various services to help BSC projects spreads the world. If you need to raise awareness about your projects through social media, AMA interviews, etc., you have come to the right place. Private promotional services for BSC projects: one article per month, one giveaway per month, one AMA. Contact us. Sergeant promotional service for BSC projects. All services in private plan. One YouTube video month, one TikTok mention. Contact us. Major promotional services for BS projects. All services in Sergeant Plant. Become our KOL boost social presence, contact us. B Army BSc Army is not endorsed by directly affiliated with maintained authorized or sponsored by BNI's Smart Change and SIRCZ. We offer various services to help BSc projects spread the word. If you need to raise awareness about your projects through social media, interview, etc., you have come to the right place. Twitter, Facebook, Telegram X, copyright 20 bsarmy.org.
बस हो भी गई है।